What's up, guys? Welcome to the second rebuild. We're going to do Baltimore. We're going to start with the first team in every column, and then we're going to go to second, third. Yeah. So next team is Baltimore. Second rebuild this season. Start career. I've been sick for the last couple of days. That's why I didn't post. But I'm pretty sure I'll be able to post tomorrow. Alright. So now we're gonna send the preseason. Oh, and by the way, this one shouldn't be that hard because they got Lamar Jackson. Yeah. We might have to trade Lamar Jackson for Patrick Mahomes for like a first round pick or something, you know. Guys, I just got a trade. I wonder if I could take it. You know what? Yeah, I don't really need picks, so yeah, I'll take it. I think I got a better defensive lineman than him, so I think I'm good. Yeah. Alright, so we just loaded. Now we gotta play Cincinnati. This should be an easy win. Hopefully. Come on, Lamar Jackson. Come on, are you running with the ball? Come on now. I'm just wondering, when it's time, should I trade Lamar Jackson for Patrick Mahomes? I don't know yet. Oh my gosh. Come on, Lamar. Patrick Mahomes, and then they got different names in this one. Patrick Mahomes, and then like Lamar Jacobson or something. I don't know. Come on, guys. Okay, we got a field goal. We're only down by 8 now. Come on, Baltimore. We need to score. Come on, Ravens. Come on. Ravens. We're winning. Okay, Ravens. Go for 2. Oh, why would you hit the field goal? Are you stupid, bro? Why would you hit the field goal, bro? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's Lamar Jacobson. Alright, now we gotta play Cleveland. Deshaun Wilson. Whatever you want to call it. We can at least beat the Browns, right? Come on, Lamar. Come on, Lamar. Alright. Only down by 1. Come on. Oh, shoot, bro. Come on, Lamar. I need touchdown. Lamar, run it in. Come on. Dang it. Come on, Lamar. Oh, my gosh, bro. Come on, guys. There we go. Touchdown. Okay. Come on, Lamar. We need another touchdown. If you can have a winning if you can get more than 2 wins, then I won't trade you to a different team. Come on. Come on, bro. 2-minute warning. Come on now. Touchdown. Dang it. Alright, now I'm going to have to trade you. I'm going to play Cincinnati again. Alright, so we're going to start the game right now. Okay. Oh, Lamar Jackson ran for a touchdown. Okay, come on. At least we ran for 1 touchdown. 43. Oh, yeah, that's the guy. We had Justin Tucker. Oh, let's go. Finally, let's go. Finally, we can score. Let's go. Let's go. Finally, dude. We can finally pull off a win. Oh, then we gotta play the Steelers after this. That should be pretty easy, though. Oh, shoot, they're coming back. They are coming back. They're coming back. Shoot. shoot, oh shoot, we're only winning by 1 point. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dang it, come on, come on, come on, Jack. Come on, come on, come on, Baltimore, come on, Baltimore. Come on, Baltimore, come on, Baltimore, come on, Baltimore. Come on, Baltimore. Let's go, Baltimore, come on, can you at least get this win? Let's go. Alright, now we gotta play Steelers for the last game. Let's see if they get a win. Okay, load out and let's play. Oh, they're 0-3. This should be an easy win, right? Right, guys? Oh, let's go. Yeah, Lamar Jacobson got 1 rushing touchdown. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come, let's go, Baltimore. Let's go, Baltimore. Gonna have to trade Lamar Jackson. Why am I singing? I'll stop. Alright, let's go. 21-7. Told you this should be easy. Oh, guys, in the comments, how you want me to do a summary, play-by-play, or stats for the next rebuild. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, we won. Let's go, let's go. There's no way they're coming back right now. Yeah, that's it, that's it. 27-10. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's listen to the regular season quick. Guys, I'm going to start the timer quick. Then we'll start. I just started a timer. Let's go. Let's get the rebuilding. Trade. We get 3 free agents at the end of this, just like last time. First thing we're going to do is Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomey. Patrick. Where are they? Kansas City. Okay, right here. Right here, and then Lamar Jackson with a pick. First round pick. Because why not? And this should be accepted. Oh, they were going to be over the salary cap, bro. Dang it, I can't get them. Shoot. Dang it. I mean, I'll try to get them at the trade deadline. Las Vegas. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it. A running back. Or we're gonna try to get Tom Brady or something. Patrick Richard, and then yeah. I'm gonna try to give you first round. Will they sell first round pick for me? Okay, and then I'll give you second round pick. Second round pick. Dang it. And then okay. Replace, and then another first round pick. No, trade decline, and let's just throw in a second round pick. Come on. Dang it. Let me just try to get who does the Seattle have? Well, so they got DK. I'm trying to get Lockett, and then Tyler Lopez. Okay, and then I'll give you 2 first round pick, and then I'll give you Shepard. Would you accept Shepard? Okay, I'm freaking wasting time. I didn't get any trades yet. I gotta try to do something. Bro. Oh, I can try to get Tom Brady. Tom Brady. Come on, 91. No, wait, that's not Tom Brady. Hurry up. This is gonna be the worst one ever. Come on. Tom Brady's 94. What, I'm gonna give you. Come on, hurry up. Lamar Jackson, or Lamar Jacobson, whatever. Hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Get the first round pick. Pick. Round one pick, round one pick. Let's go. Come on, accept that. Let's go. Come on. Tennessee. I want to try to get Derrick Henry. Unless, do I even have a good running back? Come on, hurry up, bro. No, I only got like 4 minutes, like a couple seconds left. Come on. Derrick Henry, come on. Right here. Come on. Pick. Let me give you a round one pick. And, a round two pick. And then the last thing I'm adding is probably, I'll give you another running back. Dang it! You know what? I'll just do one thing. And we'll just see if they accept that. No, it's declined, and now... Oh, we got Tom Brady, though. Let's go to free agency. We can use him for a backup running back. Put the money up right there. And then we'll try to get this offensive lineman. And then we'll try to get this guy. Let's see if he gets accepted. Okay, calendar. That was the worst rebuild so far, and it's only part 2. Alright, let's see you guys when we get there. The trades all get rejected, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's see how good our team does without only one player got traded. Let's see. Alright, I just got traded before the trade deadline. I guess so. I'll accept it. Oh, we're 5-0. Okay. 6-0. Okay. All right, guys. We're 7-1. Going to the trade deadline. Do we really need him? Let's find trade. I guess so. Yeah. And then, oh shoot, no. I only knew him. I already got. Nah. I can. Nah. I got best one, bro. That's a cornerback. Nah. What about Flower right here? Ooh, accept. 81 overall, okay. Fine trade. You have it. Ooh, nah. No, none of them. None of them. Nah. No, I'm not taking none of them. Alright, let's see. Our team's 7-1. Let's exit the trade deadline. No, we're not trading. Oh, yeah, we can trade one last player. Oh, shoot. No, I don't think we can we? Let's see if we can. I can try to get Patrick Mahomes because he's younger, and then I can not just get rid of Tom Brady because he's getting old, bro. He's getting old. Kansas City right here. Oh, they're 4-4. This will definitely help him too. We'll give you Tom Brady, bro. You're not gonna accept that, bro. Really? Whatever. Your loss. You know, I'm not doing anything else. I want Tom Brady then. I mean, I don't want Patrick Mahomes then. Okay. Now it's time to sim. Now it's time to sim, and here we go. 7-1 before I pause it, and then I'll see you guys there. Oh shoot, guys, we went 15-2. Oh, Tom Brady got 3,000 yards, bro. Passing. Oh, I think we got. Oh, did we get top? Did we get a top seed? Let's in the playoffs. All right, guys. So now we gotta play Miami. Let's sim to the next game. And let's go to calendar. Oh, I think we got top. And then let's go to here. Let's see if we win. Let's go! Let's go! We won. Okay. Okay. Advanced day. We're gonna play Indianapolis. Let's see if we can beat them. Oh, this would be an upset. They can beat us. Let's see. Alright, so we lost to Indianapolis, and we're out of the playoffs. Okay, let's see how we did. Let's sim into the awards and see how we did. Tampa Bay. Who do they have now? I took. They have Lamar. Dang it! I should have kept Lamar. Shoot. Dang it. Dang it! I should. Oh, and Memphis. Alright, made it to the awards. And we're going to it. I can't believe we lost, though. Tampa Bay, yada, yada, yada. Indiana. Oh. Okay, let's see who got one most valuable player. Maybe someone on our team. Come on. Tom Brady. Tom Brady, come on. Tom Brady. Jonathan Tyler. Oh, yeah, no wonder. Justin Herbert. Delvin. Oh, my. Who won? Dang, we didn't make it. Let's just see who won. Jonathan Taylor. Who won the playoff MVP? Lamar Jacobson. Mike. Oh, it's that's fun. Who won? Oh, why didn't we keep him? I should have kept him. Well, he didn't show it. He never showed it like in the. He never like showed it in the preseason. Devontae. Aaron Rodgers. Come on now, who won? Okay, who won the Come on, we gotta do something. Our defense was pretty good. We only lost 2 games. Okay. Dang it! Shoot. Who won? Aaron Donald. Come on, we gotta win. Did we at least win Rookie of the Year? Come on. Okay.